Does your heel pain keep coming back just when you thought it was finally gone? You may have tried stretching, orthotics, getting better shoes. Maybe you've even taken some time off of activities. It may help for a while, but then it flares up again. What if I told you that most treatments are missing the one thing that actually prevents plantar fasciitis from coming back for good? So let me show you what's really going on and what you can do about it. So to understand how to get rid of plantar fasciitis for good, we need to talk about the concepts of load and capacity. I want to give you an analogy to make it simple. Imagine you're trying to cross a small creek, so you build a wooden bridge. You step onto that bridge, you walk across, and it holds up just fine. Well, it's because your load or your body weight is less than the capacity of the bridge. Well, now let's change it up. This time, someone tries to cross that same bridge driving a golf cart over the bridge. Maybe then a four-wheeler or even a small truck. Eventually, that bridge is going to crack and buckle and start to fail. Not because it was a bad bridge, but because the load became greater than its capacity. So how do you fix that? Well, you got two options. You can lower the load. Maybe you carry that gear across on foot and make several trips instead of driving across. Or you can build a stronger bridge. Now let's get back to your foot. If you've had plantar fasciitis before and you're worried that it might come back, here's what you need to know. Most treatments only lower the load, things like stretching, orthotics, cushioned shoes, even resting the foot. They're going to help you in the short term, but they don't change the bridge. To truly fix the problem and keep it from coming back, you have to build a stronger foot. Specifically, you need to strengthen those small muscles inside your foot, the ones that sit just above the plantar fascia and support your arch. But here's the catch. Most of us aren't using these muscles in our day-to-day lives. These muscles, they're weak, they're undertrained, they're lazy, and they're not up to the task. If you want to build real strength, you have to be intentional. So if you're ready to build a stronger bridge and finally stop that cycle of plantar fasciitis, you need to check out my next video where I'm going to show you my favorite exercises to strengthen those small intrinsic muscles of your foot. These are simple, these are effective, and they're exercises backed by research. And they're what I recommend to my own patients. So hit subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you there.